welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a frontal ponytail, and I have to use two frontals because I am bald head. So if you want to see how I went from this to this fucked up shit right here, yeah, look at that. Just keep on watching, all right? Okay, so getting started on this, I really just want to come and say that this shit was so hard. So what I did was take two old wigs and I cut the frontal out of them both. I was kind of sad. Look, I was kind of sad, but I was really like too far in the process and I couldn't stop what I was doing. But as I did this frontal ponytail with the two frontals, I did realize that the frontals that I used were like not big enough. So what I had to do was take another frontal and cut pieces out and like place it on my head to fill in those gaps. Because when I went to put my two frontals up in a ponytail, it was very, very gappy, like what you saw at the beginning of the video. So really just take your time with this. Don't think you're going to do this all like within a couple of hours. It took me 2 days. Like, this is the back of my head, like it's angles that I can't see. So I really wasn't in a rush. I just took my time and just was literally trying not to get frustrated and like snatch the whole shit off. But that's what I'm doing right there. Just taking like frontal pieces, cutting it, and then just placing it on to fill the gaps in the middle. So one thing I do recommend while doing the two frontal ponytails is when you are getting started. Oh, look at my baby. All right, anyway, when you're getting started and doing this style, I would recommend using full frontals, meaning 13x6, or just make sure there's a lot of lace, because that's where I had a lot of issues. I think these were 13x4 frontals. So when I went to put them both in a ponytail, that's why mine ended up looking thin and there were so many gaps. I did manage to fill the gaps with like extra lace, which is why I didn't like edit this video too much. I really wanted to just show y'all how to come and correct a fucked up hairstyle, because I really like made it work in the end. So after I fill all the gap pieces, I'm just gonna try and slick my hair up, slick it up with some wax just to kind of like close the rest of the gaps, and just go ahead and proceed to put my hair in a ponytail. And like I said, take your time. Like, this shit is really a task. You just can't see the back of your head. Like, I really had to just keep taking a mirror and checking the back of my head to make sure that it looked okay. All right, so on to the next step. What I did was wrap my hair. Well, I braided it first, and then I wrapped it in tissue paper to get the ponytail or the hair ready for the extended ponytail that we're about to do. All right. Okay, so I am using the Organic Q Shake and Go hair. It's like $10, y'all. This is the best hair I ever found in a hair store because it's just good for quick looks, all right? Don't think you about to wear a whole weave or like a whole head full of weave in this hair, because that's like not what it's for, okay? Quick looks only, quick weaves, ponytails, stuff like that. So that's my ponytail that I ended up doing. I didn't really like it. I'm just like a perfectionist, so I had my mom come do my ponytail again. When my mom did my ponytail, I still didn't like it. So I ended up taking it out again and I did my hair again. I'm going to show y'all the finishing ponytail at the end and just tell me what y'all think. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank y'all for watching. Ooh, and being patient with this video, because after I just, finished all the trials and tribulations, I really, really liked it. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And be sure to follow me on Instagram at KDidYourLace. I'll put that in the description box below.